Hello, I'm here in front of our Emerson plan. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2466 square feet. You have a 3-car garage attached. Let's go take a look. As you can see, you have a nice entryway that leads into a nice open living plan. Your kitchen has this beautiful eat-in island and features stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, a built-in oven, microwave, 5-burner gas cooktop, direct vent hood, and dishwasher. The kitchen and dining are open to the living areas, easy for entertaining. There's a nice formal dining right off the living area and a private entrance to the master. Very roomy master, has a 10-foot coffer, tray ceiling, large raised double vanity, beautiful garden tub, 5-foot walk-in shower with frameless glass enclosure. This is our closet plus in the walk-in closet. So we add all these extra shelves, extra rods, tons of storage. The other 2 bedrooms are towards the front of the house, giving good separation between the rooms. This front bedroom is oversized. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, workout gym, great home office. It also has a large walk-in closet. These 2 bedrooms are separated with a Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice powder bath at the end here. This plan features a 3-car garage, nice separate utility area, lovely folding table. So you just kind of have your traditional 3-car garage. There's a door that leads outside to the back, some nice windows giving it natural light. This home also features a tankless water heater, and it's been looped out for a water softener. This house sits on a large 0.28 acre lot. Nice covered patio. Tons of access on the side yard. And also on this side. So if you're interested in this home or any others, contact me, John Olmstead, at 505-999-0930. That's 505-999-0930. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.